Hello everyone, today's video I want to show you how you can make power bank. You see, you look here, this is the frame of the power bank. You see here. Um, Let me show you. Like, you see that in box there is the motherboard of the for this power bank. Here there is the space you can put in the battery. Uh, so here I make the schematic diagram. So I prefer to explain this schematic diagram and then because I make the many video for how we can tracing the component, how can do anything. So that way I say like let me do it in the short video like this one and then explain to you everything. So this power bank, the main part is this IC IP5306. This one uh, is the common IC designed for the battery or battery charging or battery management on the and the monitoring. So you see here we have the three red. You see this and then here there is the four red. All the these four red. The first one is the it shows us when in the battery there is 5 voltage, and this one is when the 50 voltage 75 and 100 when the battery is full. You see like and then you see here you connect it to the battery here, and then this one is the V out where you have to connect. So when you're checking the this USB I was using here for the output, I use DN and DP. Why I use DN and DP? Because sometimes um, you see the some charger at the fast charging, another at the slow charging. So because in the sometimes the charger cannot supporting all type of or devices like phone, tablet, Android, iPhone. So if you connecting GN and DP, your schematic diagram or your circuit can charging all those things. Can charging all those. So for here, you see here there is this current just for turning on this DP. See, turning on this DP, just it's changing the this power bank can distinguish if the phone is Android, is iPhone, is tablet, or anything using for the connecting to the 5 voltage. Do you understand? So the second thing, when you look here on the key, there is you connecting to the red. This red it shows us if the is turning on, and you have the switch. This switch is, is not the cross on or just switch. This one is push button. This push button, it's it's when you press uh in 20 seconds, just it's turn on the device. When you make double, when you clicking double, just it's turning this red, and then it make the flashing light. You see, it's the second thing. The designer of this IC, it's make the good one. So uh, it's good one for the power bank because the power bank must be cheap. So they don't need if you put in the MCU have to say like if the battery is if the Android input is less than this one, is 50%, turn on this date. You see, it's cost a lot of because you need MCU first, and then you need programming part. But for this one, you don't need all those things. So just only have to do that because the manufacturer of this IC designed it for the power bank, right? So And then you don't need to put it like if the red is just even if the red if the if the battery is less than 25, the red this red of 25 is started to blinking, right? Started to blinking. This is the battery. So it is if the even if the battery is less than, it's blinking. Even if the battery is charging, this red is blinking. Because if the designer of this IC, you don't programming this one, if they don't mentioning the role of this one, and then make the programmable. You see, you have to programming everything. But right now, you don't need to programming this one. So right, because everything is online. I think so. Here on the input, you see the another input type C. Uh, so you see I connecting the VN and the C1 and the C2. Why I putting the C1 in the C2? This resistor 51 50.1K. So I put this one because I need to mentioning this input. It's supposed to be 5 volt. You get it? Because I need 5 volt. That's why I make this one like this way. So for now, I think you understand what I make. See, uh, see, this one is for the voltage divider, and I think I explain everything on this schematic diagram, so you can go clearing everything here. Mm, so the second thing I make after the showing the schematic diagram, the second thing I make the PCB layout, the arrangement. You see here, I make this one. So I choose to place every component on the top layer because this one it's not big deal. Here I put in the red from the one. This one is the one show us 25, 50, 75. This one is the push button. This one is input. You see, this one is output. You see, and then here I suggested to put in the to battery 3.7, and here I put in the connector for the battery. You see, if you look the track ready for the power supply, just um, see here. Let me put in a mil. See, for the normal track, I use 10 mil, and then for the power track, here this one because it's mixed with the reference, so it's not cannot show us. Yeah, it's 20. Yeah, it's 20. Yeah, it's 30. Just for the power. Another the normal wire I put in there for the 10 mil. So I think it's okay. The next thing, and then I can show you as I show the 3D model for this one, or I can show here. You see how it look like. You see, let me move to all this 3D. See how and then you see how the board look like. Step board, saw board. This one is for the fixing. Is the input, and then I suggest to put the copper tracks here on the bottom as the ground, and then you see it's designed by me, Hasha Track 250, of course, and The second thing, then here you can see wall project. Yeah, it's look nice here. It's the same like here. When you look the final product, it's look nice. I feel it's look nice. See, it's a full power bank here. See here, just here you put it up to save, and then you can enjoy this project, this simple project, and it's a good one. It's very needed. Everyone you can make it. If you have any problem, you can paste in the comment. I can explain everything in detail. So thank you for watching this video. Hope you enjoy this amazing topic. I think the power bank now there is the good things. So thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.